Down to the last 8 at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell, and although some big-name players have fallen by the wayside, the very top draws are still standing. Andy Murray would get the opportunity for instant revenge against Albert Ramos Vinolas for the Spaniard's shock win against the world #1 in Monte Carlo, although in the opening set was once again finding himself on the wrong side of some vintage play from the Spaniard.
Ramos Vinolas heading towards a commanding lead in this first set.
In a topsy-turvy second set, Murray needed to be at his best to stay in with a shout.
Oh, what a shot! Flashes of brilliance at times from Murray.
The top seed edged the second to force a decider in which both men were finding it difficult to sustain any kind of rhythm.
Oh, he's made it. He's threaded that through. Somehow he's found it under pressure.
The inevitable tie-break ensued, and it was Murray with the upper hand.
Serve volley working to perfection from Andy Murray. A really good, smart switch-up of tactics there.
The world #1 sealing a spot in the semis, but only just.
He's gone long. Murray gets the job done eventually in just under 3 hours of pure sporting drama here in Barcelona.
A baying partisan crowd would await qualifying next-gen star Hyun Chung as he took on the man they all came to see, Rafael Nadal. The youngster made a bright start, breaking early, but after the defending champion restored parity, the opener went to a tiebreak and Rafa took control.
Oh, he's made it. What improvisation from Nadal. Finally, Nadal gets past his man in this first set.
After a mammoth first set, the 9-time champion was in no mood to hang around in the second as the sun set on Catalonia.
Oh, that's terrific. Incredible defence from Chung.
Nadal through to the semi-finals, still yet to drop a set in the tournament.
Nadal aces his way to the semi-final.
Dominic Thiem would look not to be the latest victim in the Yuichi Sugita Barcelona story. The 4th seed would need to be at his best from the beginning in this quarter-final encounter.
Beautiful footwork from Dominic Thiem.
Thiem raced through the opener but had to be on his toes to recover from a breakdown in the second. Once the Austrian had achieved that though, he was able to move through the gears.
Once again, Dominic Thiem finding the lines, inch perfect. So much on that ball, so much work with the forehand.
With little energy expended, the world #9 completed the job to advance to the final 4.
It's gone long, and Dominic Thiem takes his place for the first time in the Barcelona Open semi-final.
2 unseeded players took to pista Rafa Nadal for the right to face the man himself in the semi-finals. In a cagey opening set, it was Argentinian #4 Horacio Zeballos who was looking the more likely to break next-gen star Karen Khachanov at the perfect moment.
Great shot.
The world #84 took a set lead and in the second took advantage of an injury timeout for Khachanov to begin to run away with the match.
Good soft hand. Very solid at the net.
Zeballos completed the job to make his first tour-level semi-final in over 4 years.
Zeballos is absolutely delighted. Look at the celebration there.
So we have our final 4, and semi-final Saturday will see the quartet do battle for a place in the showpiece of the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell.